Think vegan food is all salads and bland tofu? Think again. You're about to be amazed by a world of mouth-watering, high-protein meals that will fuel your body and rock your taste buds. You might be ditching meat and dairy, but that doesn't mean giving up on flavor or missing out on the nutrients you need. Today, we're busting the myth that plant-based eating means skimping on protein. Join me as we delve into 4 incredible vegan recipes that are packed with protein, easy to make, and perfect for anyone from committed vegans to those just dipping their toes into the world of plant-based deliciousness. The first on the list is the tofu bolognese. Ignore bland alternatives. This tofu bolognese will make you a plant-based believer. Extra firm tofu crumbles beautifully, mimicking the hearty texture of ground meat in a classic Italian sauce. Each bite is packed with protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues. Tofu also delivers a healthy dose of iron, essential for energy, and calcium for strong bones. But the health benefits don't stop. This sauce is loaded with vibrant vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, offering a boost of vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling your best. Ingredients: block of extra firm tofu drained and pressed, olive oil, chopped onion, diced carrot, diced celery, minced garlic, tomato paste, canned crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth, dried herbs, basil, oregano, thyme, salt and pepper to taste, pasta of your choice, spaghetti, penne, etc. Optional fresh basil for garnish, vegan Parmesan cheese. Here's how to work the magic. The magic starts with the tofu. Crumble it into small pieces resembling ground meat. Sauté with olive oil until golden for that extra savory touch. Build a flavor base with onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. Let them soften, releasing their delicious aroma. Amplify the richness with tomato paste and crushed tomatoes. Simmer the sauce, allowing flavors to meld. A splash of vegetable broth adds depth. Season with classic Italian herbs, salt, and pepper, adjusting to your taste. Serve over your favorite pasta. Garnish with vibrant basil and a sprinkle of vegan Parmesan for an extra touch of indulgence. Tofu bolognese is endlessly flexible. Add mushrooms for an earthy kick or a pinch of red pepper flakes for spice. It freezes beautifully for easy prep ahead of time. Right next we have the tempeh bacon BLT. Craving a classic BLT, but keeping it plant-based? This tempeh bacon BLT will hit the spot and then some. Its smoky, savory, and surprisingly satisfying twist on a beloved sandwich will win over even the most dedicated bacon lovers. The star of the show is tempeh, a fermented soybean product with a unique, slightly nutty flavor. High in protein and fiber, tempeh boasts additional gut-healthy benefits thanks to its fermentation process. Be the magician by following these steps. Bring out tempeh's potential with a simple yet addictive marinade. Think soy sauce for salty depth, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, smoky paprika, a hint of liquid smoke, and garlic powder for a savory punch. Pan-fry the marinated tempeh slices in olive oil until they develop those irresistibly crispy edges that mimic the texture of bacon perfectly. Assemble your masterpiece on toasted whole grain bread, slathered with creamy vegan mayonnaise. Don't skimp on the fresh lettuce for a refreshing crunch and vibrant tomato slices for classic BLT goodness. Customize it. Amp up the richness with a layer of mashed avocado, or add a spicy kick with sriracha. This sandwich is your canvas for flavor. Tempeh bacon isn't just for BLTs. Add those smoky gems to salads and grain bowls, or even crumble them over pasta for a plant-based boost. It's time to embrace tempeh's versatility and welcome this delicious, healthy protein into your kitchen. Tighten your seatbelts, because you're about to be wowed. Lentil burger. Move over, beef burgers. The lentil burger is a delicious and nutritious powerhouse ready to take center stage at your next cookout. Lentils, the humble legume, are the star, delivering a satisfying dose of protein and fiber that will keep you feeling fueled for hours. Plus, they're packed with iron for energy and folate, a crucial nutrient for cell growth. Asking how to make this delicious meal. Start with cooked lentils as your base. Combine them with breadcrumbs for structure, finely chopped onions, carrots, and garlic for savory depth, and a blend of your favorite spices. Think cumin for warmth, chili powder for a kick, and smoky paprika for complexity. Bind it all together with an egg replacer for the perfect texture of flaxseed egg works wonders. Shape the mixture into patties and prepare to grill. Lentil burgers sizzle beautifully on a hot grill or pan, developing a tempting crust while staying juicy on the inside. A drizzle of olive oil helps achieve those coveted grill marks. Nestle your patty onto a toasted bun and go wild with toppings. Classic lettuce, tomato, and onion are a great start. But don't stop there, get creative with grilled pineapple, a dollop of vegan mayo, or a zesty BBQ sauce. Lentil burgers aren't just for barbecues. Crumble them into salads, tuck them into pitas, or serve them over rice in a protein-fueled bowl. Their mild flavor makes them a blank canvas for culinary creativity. This recipe is a perfect plant-based staple to keep in rotation for healthy, satisfying, and delicious meals. Ready to try these lentil burgers? I'm sure you do. Garlic ginger impossible meatballs. Forget your preconceptions about plant-based meatballs. These garlic ginger impossible meatballs burst with a juicy, savory flavor that will rival any traditional Italian-style meatball. Made with impossible meat, they provide the satisfying texture and protein boost of a classic meatball with a plant-based twist. Plus, they're lower in saturated fat than their traditional counterparts. Unlock the flavor of GGIM with a few steps. The heart of these meatballs lies in the aromatic blend of garlic and ginger. Their bold flavors infuse the impossible meat for a taste sensation from the first bite. Combine your impossible meat with breadcrumbs, finely chopped onion, grated garlic and ginger, a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or oregano, and an egg replacer for the perfect texture. Shape them into perfect little spheres, ready for cooking. Options are endless: pan fry them in olive oil for crispy outsides, bake them for a hands-off approach, or even simmer them directly in your favorite marinara for that slow-cooked flavor. Speaking of marinara, use your favorite jarred sauce or whip up a homemade batch for an even more authentic Italian experience. Serve your meatballs over spaghetti, nestled in a crusty baguette for a meatball sub, or even enjoyed solo for a protein-packed snack. These meatballs serve as the starting point for your culinary experience. For a more earthy flavor, substitute alternative plant-based ground meats or a mixture of finely chopped mushrooms. Experiment with seasonings, adding a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little fire. These meatballs are a blank canvas for taste combinations. Are you feeling motivated to cook? Share this video with someone who would love to try these incredible vegan recipes. Remember to like and subscribe for more plant-based recipes.